Poltix Lamineerhars resin set is a pre-accelerated unsaturated polyester resin with the appropriate peroxide hardener. Along with a Poltix fiber mat, disposable brush and deaeration roller, you get a large repair kit suitable for repairing or strengthening large holes in a polyester laminate. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. For small damage repair, you can use Amorfix or Poltix Superfiller. For medium damage, it is best to use Poltix Fiber Filler. For larger holes, you can use the Poltix Repair Kit or Poltix Laminating resin set with fiberglass. In this film we will demonstrate repairing a large hole in a polyester laminate. The surface is sanded. The edges should be beveled with sandpaper to increase the adhesion surface. After cleaning, degreasing and sanding, the surface should be degreased one more time with double coat degreaser. To remove the last specks of dust, you may use a tack cloth. When the hole is too big, you can position a piece of cardboard behind the hole and affix with Poltix laminating resin or Poltix fiber filler. Open the packaging carefully. Weigh the required quantity in a mixing cup. Add the hardener in the right proportion, 100 parts by weight base and 2 parts by weight hardener. Mix the components thoroughly before use. Only mix the quantity you can apply within the processing time. The Poltix glass mat is cut or torn to size. With each layer, the fiberglass surface should be slightly larger. Apply the mixture to the surface using a brush. Place the Poltix fiberglass in the wet resin. Use a dabbing movement to press the resin into the fiber. You can apply multiple layers of fiberglass in one application. Repeat this until the desired strength is reached. Use the deaeration roller during laminating to prevent air bubbles. After 24 hours of drying, the surface can be sanded with P120 and degreased. The last bumps can be filled with Poltix vezelplamuur. After sanding the surface, it can be finished with Amopox HB coating or double coat. Best of luck!